Okay, hello everyone. Here I will show you the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, here we get a charger and the box. Well, and then here I will open it. Okay, in the box, here we get the unit of Samsung Galaxy A05. USB Type-C cable, guidebook, sticker, and then the last SIM ejector. Well, now let's see the inside of the device. Although the price is cheap, the Samsung Galaxy A05 has a fairly large screen size, 6.7-inch, with a 50MP resolution main camera and a large enough internal memory up to 128GB. Not only that, this device is also equipped with HD+ resolution and 60Hz refresh rate. Okay, and then the Samsung Galaxy A05 is powered by MediaTek's Helio G85. That this chip is designed with 12nm. And then Helio G85 has a CPU with a speed of up for 2 GHz. The chipset is combined with 3 RAM and storage options, including 4 64GB, 4 less 128GB, and then 6 large 128GB. The RAM can be expanded up to 6 GB by borrowing some of the phone's internal storage capacity. Okay, and then on the photography front, the smartphone is equipped with double rear cameras, consisting of a 50MP main camera with autofocus and a 2MP depth camera. And then there is also a front camera placed in the screen banks with a resolution of 8MP. Okay, and then the Samsung Galaxy A05 is equipped with 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. Recharging can be done via USB-C. Okay, and then the Samsung Galaxy A05 has body dimension of 168.8 multiplicable 78.2 multiplicable 8.8mm. Okay, that's the specification of Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.